Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoho Projects with Zoho Books. All right, first up, we need to open both accounts, and in here under Zoho Books, just go to the top right, and besides your profile, you have here this application icon. So just click on it. Now go ahead and scroll down a bit and find email and collaboration. Here we have Zoho Projects. Okay, so just click on it, wait for a new tab to load, and once it loads, it will log you into your Zoho Projects account, and that basically means that it is all connected. Okay, another way to connect it is by going to your Zoho Books account and in the settings section right here, scroll all the way down and click on Zoho Apps. In here we have Zoho Projects as well. Just click on Connect and hit on Connect Now. Select from one of your portal names. Okay, this one right here is my portal, or Zoho Projects portal. This one. Okay, now let's go back right here. Select the modules to be synced with Zoho Books. Projects is enabled by default, or sync timesheet as well. Check this box. Okay, import all timesheets as inbuilt, or import timesheets before the selected date. Maybe just this one. Now, customer duplication preferences, overwrite or clone. It's up to you. Now, project creation preferences. Restrict project creation in Zoho Books. Yes or no. Now hit on next. Now just map the fields from Zoho Books if it's project name. Well, from Zoho Projects, it's project's name as well. Okay. You have the task fields here as well. Bugs fields and timesheets fields. Okay. Once that's all set up, just click on Save and Sync. There you go. And integration settings updated right here. Okay. So the sync progress right here. Here we have the preview. So just basically wait for all of your projects to sync, the task to sync, bugs and timesheets to sync from Zoho Projects to your Zoho Books account. And once that's done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.